Welcome to Animated Maths for All, Series 1, where we explore that maths is no myth. This video will focus on area and perimeter. Here we see students from Animath International School running around their neighborhood. The students ran a total distance of 2.4 kilometers along a rectangular path around the row houses. They covered two lengths of 900 meters each. We need to find the breadth of this rectangular path. Let's perform a step-by-step calculation to determine the breadth of the rectangular path. Step 1 is to align the units. Before starting the calculation, ensure all measurements are in the same unit. We will convert the total distance from kilometers km to meters m. We know the total distance is 2.4 kilometers and that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. The total distance, which is the perimeter, is 2.4 kilometers. Since 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, we multiply 2.4 by 1,000 to get 2,400 meters. We now know the perimeter and the length of the rectangular path. Our goal is to find the breadth. Step 2 is to identify the given information. We have the perimeter P at 2,400 meters and the length L at 900 meters. The breadth B is unknown. Let's use the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle to solve this problem. Step 3. Use the perimeter of a rectangle formula. The formula is P equals 2x, length plus breadth. Now we will substitute the known values into the formula. Substituting the known values, we get 2,400 equals 2x 900 plus b. The next step is to solve this equation for the breadth. Step 4. Solve for breadth, b. First, divide both sides by 2 to isolate the terms inside the parentheses. This gives us 2,400 divided by 2 equals 900 plus b, which simplifies to 1,200 equals 900 plus b. Now we subtract 900 from both sides to find the value of b. The equation becomes b equals 1,200 to 900, resulting in b equals 300 meters. So the breadth of the rectangular path is 300 meters. Well done, everyone. Let's try a new challenge. The perimeter of a rectangle is 480 centimeters. Its length is double its breadth. We need to find the breadth of the rectangle. If you know how to solve this, write your answer in the description box below. The first 5 correct answers will get a star each. Remember, once you know the perimeter and one side, you can find the other. The formula has 3 variables, so knowing 2 allows you to find the third. Lisa enjoys taking pictures with her drone. She is excited to share the photo she took with her friends. Students are interested to find the perimeter of a large portion of the field. They come to know one side of one of the fields is 480 meters. They calculate mentally how many lengths of 480 meters are around. Monko is happy to sit in the field to think more. He thinks he has toed the lengths in the middle too. The students objects to that and say only outer length is needed for the perimeter of the marked portion of the field. Monko agrees. Let's find the perimeter of these composite fields. The students do the calculation. Monko is doing his own calculation. All of them used the distributive property and found the answer to be 5,760 meters. They are super excited to have found the correct answer. Thanks for watching Animated Maths for All series. Like and subscribe to travel with Animath International School students and become an expert in maths.